Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today is a quick little Aliexpress haul. I had some straggler orders for Halloween rolling in. First thing are these nail stickers. I was going to use these to decorate beads, and I like these because these had like pastel purples and pinks in this one, like the little bats, like the little witch hat. But I could always just use these like on my nails or my daughter's nails. Instead of the beads. I don't like them on the beads because it leaves that little like white outline and you can see it on the bead. So I'll have to use that for something else. And then I didn't realize I ordered another set of these, which are those cute little bow charms, the pink little bow charms. So I have 2 packs of those. And then I picked up some of this vinyl or like fake, what is this called? Like fake plastic. Oh, it smells so good. I accidentally crinkled it up. It did come flat though. But this is orange for Halloween. I wonder how I'm gonna get the wrinkles out of this now because it got all crinkled in my drawer. But this stuff is cheaper. If you guys saw my haul the other day of the vinyl I ordered in America, Aliexpress is anywhere from $1.80, like $2 to $3, $4. So it's kind of like, if you have time to wait, you can get it on Aliexpress, but if not, I would use that other website. And we have this one, which is like a frosted candy corn, like white. It's kind of see-through, but it's not. This is definitely like an odd size. I don't know what this is. 13¼ inches long, little under 8 inches wide. Just weird sizing. And then I got this one because I thought it would look cool in bows, like the font. Just like a font style. And then I realized, I was like, wait, what is all this? It says like China sales, trains to help China. I'm like, huh? But it's going to be in a bow, so you're not gonna be able to read it. But it was just a fun like little font for Halloween. I wanted it. Next, I got this little mold. I did like them because they have the little charm holes in them already. And I think these will be super cute. I already have one in a different shape, so I wanted to grab one more. And these came really fast. 2 little hearts. Shaped like, you know, gemmies. And then I picked this one up. Super excited to play with this because, you know, Halloween. Look at their little candy shapes. And it comes with tiny little stars, which I will never ever fill, but it's super cute. And they're shallow, so they're not big bulky ones. You can fill it to the brim without being massive candies. And that is it for my little haul today. And I will catch you guys on the next crafty video. Bye guys.